Hello, I will show you how to change shipping class rate. To do this, we need to hover a mouse over Woocommerce, click Settings. On the opened page, we click Shipping tab, Ireland shipping zone, and we click Flat Rate. And here opens a pop-up in which you can basically change the values. First, I have to say that we renamed previously existing shipping classes. So the one which was €0 shipping class is now called free. The €15 shipping class is now called fixed. And here's where you change the value for each class. So, for example, if you want it to be €20, you update this input. And also, here's an option for products which do not have any shipping class assigned. In this case, the product has no shipping class. Its shipping is rated at this value. So with current configuration, I think you'll want this to be equal to the fixed shipping class, and it is equal at the moment. So you'll want to update these two values to be equal. And that's it. After that, you click Save Changes. I'm not clicking it, of course, at the moment. And in the Product Edit page, in the Shipping tab, you will see shipping class names updated. So there will be free, fixed, not €0 or €15 as it was previously. So that's it.